Welcome back, Danson's All Natural Gym. What we're gonna do today is just simply life, real life. A lot of you here because you want to see this mill operate and cut up this great big, gigantic, high quality white pine log that I have here. Or you're here because you want to see what you can do with the BX, or you like the homesteading, or I'm pretty sure you're not here for the wildlife videos because all I have is deer and raccoon and squirrels. This is a video that I wanted to make, so that's what we're gonna do here today. Here's my sawmill shed. Man, I don't know, it's like 24 feet between here, you know, and then there's a 7 or 8 foot section there, and it's 24 feet between those two, and then there's a 12 foot section there. For me, it's a big event, and it's a big deal for me, and that's what I want to film. Continue watching, stay tuned, and I'll show you what we're going to transform this sawmill shed into. Might take me a while. Well, all my videos take me a while. It'll be fun anyway, cleaning out the sawmill shed. How often do you clean out your sawmill shed? I mean, clean it out. That's what we're going to do today, clean it out. Transform it into something. All right, so there's the first thing we're going to get rid of. Those pallets and the boxes behind this trailer. A little bit more than I thought, but it must all be right down here at the bottom. Oh my goodness, that's way more in there than I thought. Holy cow, that's not good. I was not looking forward to that. know if I can get that sawmill out of here with the mower deck on. Dang it. I need a pallet for all this stuff. That's what I need. Wish I had a pallet. Bingo. Yeah, I bet you that was loud, huh? I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that too. Can't throw anything away. I may have to add some more. I may have to get another pallet for just the junk. Too much junk in here. So I suppose, right, if there's no other reason to clean out your sawmill shed, it's just that all of this doesn't belong. This belongs. This is my sawmill. This is my saw chainsaw stuff. But some of this does not. The two toolboxes belong, but limb cutters don't belong. This old tripod that was smashed by the backhoe, by the, dang it, I broke it. By the excavator, mini excavator. Yeah, I probably don't need to save that. Probably get rid of that one. You know, just hard to part. You know, has sentimental value. Okay, whatever. Okay, is it starting to transform? Are we starting to see a difference? We're not starting to see a theme yet, but are we starting to see a difference? I think we are. I am. Come on. I got some stuff moved out of here, right? Man. I mean, I don't know what you want. Throw away my tripod. Massive white oak log on there I gotta move. Big, massive, high quality white oak log on there. I'm recording the transformation of the sawmill shed. What are we transforming the sawmill shed into? You can't say it because that would be giving it away. They have to watch the video to the end to see what it's transformed to. So don't be talking about
prepping?
Yeah.
Okay. Darn it.
Getting ready for the, don't say it.
Okay.
You can tell me what you want over there.
Okay.
but you just can't say what it's for.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Because we don't want them like sliding, fast forward to the end of the video and see what it really transformed into. Can't do that.
Right.
Yeah. No, not in there. I wanted the dirt in the pot.
Too late.
I want the dirt out of the pot. I'm not messing around.
Whatever. What's your problem any other time?
I have no problems other times not messing around either. Oh, wait. Before the what? Oh, we have to edit that out. Jeez, you've been on camera for 5 minutes. You were probably while I was gone over there, weren't you?
Edit that out. No,
Have to edit all that out. 5 minutes you've been on camera and you already gave it away. Can't say dumbass on YouTube. I just have to edit
anything I say.
anything. Everything will have to be edited out of this except for your butt. That'll be the only thing that gets views.
My colored hair in there.
Yeah, and for this event, you know, there's the first clue. She got all the gray dyed out of her hair. And so we have dyed hair. So she's getting ready for her hair for this transformation. She did not dye her hair when I moved the sawmill into the shed.
It was already
She
done.
did not dye her hair when I built the sawmill shed. This is something else. For some other event, she is dyeing her hair. We've got to move the sawmill. Move the head.
Okay. Oh, I can't turn it.
I know I did. See that pin right there? Pull that pin out. Now lift that thing up. Now put the pin back. All right, now we got to get this ball under here. I kind of want to leave this one here. You can like throw a blanket over the whole thing if you want, and then put the laptop right on top of this. I stream it to my personal page on Facebook,
Right.
and then anybody can watch it.
Right, yeah.
That way. There you go. Keep going. There you go. That's good. How'd that work?
Yep. I did.
Yep. She's always digging a hole through there somewhere. Probably a good spot. I think it looks like a sawmill shed.
Yep.
I can say that. We got it all cleaned out. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned.
Can you hear me echo on the...
Are you hearing the computer behind you, Michael?
Sorry, I had to.
Computer's behind you. No, the computer is though.
So I know that I can hear myself through the computer.
The computer's right behind you streaming.
Oh yeah.
What in the world?
Want to wait? Okay. The other side.
That's awesome.
Probably.
I love that.
We're ready. No play, no music?
No.
No music.
No music.
No music.
Stand up there.
Quick. Oh my gosh.
Stand up there.
It's okay. Mine too.
Yep.
Oh man.
You go shut off this.
Male repeated.
Do you have the rings?
Huh?
Do you have the rings? The kids do. Okay.
They'll come up eventually.
Welcome. On behalf of Stephen and Crystal, I want to say thank you all for coming, sharing hopefully one of, if not the best day of their lives. When Stephen first introduced me to Crystal and I saw how happy he was, I knew he found the one. She makes him smile like I've never seen. Now, Stephen and I were never that close, but when he asked me to do this, I jumped on the opportunity with hesitation. Being the youngest, I've seen Stephen grow over the years, grow a lot, and I'm happy to say I'm glad to be a part of this. Now, I don't know the Crystal the best, but from the little conversation that we've had, I know that she loves him and he makes her happy. Marriage is a sacred institution in our culture, a tradition of partnership and trust, dependence on one another to navigate the highs and lows. Marriage is built on a solid foundation. That foundation contains sacrifice, commitment, and communication. From this foundation will come trust and intimacy. I mean, we already have Gideon, so we got that. Stephen and Crystal, are you ready to proclaim your foundation of love for one another in the sight of God and the witnesses before you? If so, please answer, we do.
Me too.
Stephen, do you take Crystal to be your wedded wife? Will you cherish her and trust her, commit to her through joy and pain, sickness and health, whatever else may come to you, death do you part?
I do.
Crystal, do you take Stephen to be your wedded husband? Will you cherish him and love him, trust and commit to him through joy and pain, sickness and health, and whatever else comes your way, till death do you part?
I do.
I need the rings. At this time, Stephen and Crystal exchange rings. The ring is a symbol of binding, and it's a symbol of attachment and belonging, not of possession, but of partnership. The ring is never ending, and it goes on forever. Every day as you two look down at each other's rings, know and be reminded for the love you have for each other, and it's meant to last forever.